Nowadays, the majority of foodstuffs that are available, for example, biscuits, sweets, and processed foods, contain both animal and vegetable fat. Being doubtful of the exact type of animal fat.
Where is one meeting? Is he here today? No.
Being doubtful.
Who would help me understand this question, please? You have followed? Okay.
She seems to be saying that these days, when we have biscuits and other products, there are two kinds of oil.
Some with lard, some not with lard.
Some are vegetable oil and some are
animal fat. So what's the question?
The question is that some foods contain both animal and vegetable fat, and being doubtful of the exact type of animal fat, should we purchase these items or strictly?
I'll explain that. If you know positively that lard is used, then you should resist from eating that food prepared with lard. But if you do not know, then you don't have to worry overmuch about this, because this was exactly what was taught and practiced by Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam himself. There used to come meat from various places, from the nomads, and people sometimes in Mecca doubted, the followers of the Holy Prophet, as to the meat being halal or haram, being rightly slaughtered in the Islamic way or not. And Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radiyallahu ta'ala anha tells us that Huzur Akram sallallahu alaihi wasallam rejected these doubts and suspicions and said, if you know something to be haram, resist from eating it. But don't permit your fancy to take flight in every direction and doubt everything. Unless you know something to be wrong, what you can do is say Bismillah and you can eat that thing. So that is the conduct of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam himself. So if you know that lard is used, resist from it. If you don't know and you can have something positively without lard, prefer that. But otherwise, if you eat something of which you don't know positively that some haram thing has been used, it is not wrong. Only say Bismillah and that's quite enough.